How to hide the taskbar in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start menu, then select Settings. This will open the Settings app. In the Settings window, click on Personalization in the left side. On the Personalization settings page, scroll down and click on Taskbar. To get into this taskbar menu, there is another way. From your desktop, right-click on the taskbar, then select Taskbar Settings. Now on the taskbar settings page, click on taskbar behaviors to expand its options. Now look for the option labeled automatically hide the taskbar. Check the box next to this option. That's it. The taskbar will now automatically hide itself when you're not actively interacting with it. When automatically hide the taskbar is enabled, the taskbar will disappear from the bottom of your screen. To make it reappear, simply move your mouse cursor to the very bottom of the edge of your screen. The taskbar will slide back up. Once you move your mouse cursor away from the taskbar, it will automatically hide again after a brief moment. If you decide you want the taskbar to be visible all the time again, simply go to the taskbar. Expand the taskbar behaviors. Uncheck the box next to automatically hide the taskbar. The taskbar will now remain visible at the bottom of your screen. So that's how you can hide the taskbar in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.